An airport taxi uses the rule F equals M plus 2 to calculate the fare for the passengers. The number of miles, M, is the input, and the output is the fare, F, in dollars. Graph the pattern. So if we're going to graph this, the first thing that we need to do is create an input-output table. So we're going to use this rule to come up with our input-output table. So remember, in an input-output table, your input always comes first, and then your output. In my next line, that's where my variables go. So if you remember when we did this before, I taught you that the one that's left out, so if I'm looking at F and M, only one of them something is happening to, and the other one is all alone, left out. So the one that something's happening to is the M. The thing that's happening to it is the plus 2. So the M is in a relationship. So M is your input. And the one that's left out, the one that's all alone, poor F, oh, so sad. The one that's left out is F. So F is your output. So that's how you figure out which variable goes in input and output. After that, what you would do is you would look at the thing that's happening. The thing that's happening is the plus 2 to M, and you would copy down your plus 2. And that will give you your pattern. So you're going to do plus 2 on all of these numbers down here, whatever those numbers are. Since we don't have numbers, we can just make them up. It's easiest just to start with 1. Okay, let me extend my input-output table to make this make a little bit more sense. And that means all of these are going to be plus 2. So that'll give me 3. 2 plus 2 here is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So now what I have is I have ordered pairs. I have ordered pairs that I can then graph. So my first ordered pair is 1, 3. Over 1, up 3. So that's that one. Next is 2, 4. So I'm going to go sideways 2 and then up to 4. That's what the example here is showing us. And that's that ordered pair. Next I have 3, 5. So I'm going to go over 3 and up 5 and put a point there. And finally, I have 4, 6, over 4 and up 6. Oh, and I should check this one off. So over 4 and up 6 was right here. And we can see that if I drew a perfect line, the line would go through these dots, meaning it is showing an equation, and I did it correctly.